Welcome to the Productivity series on Microsoft Excel. Let us look into string extraction functions. LEN, find, left, right, mid, left and find, right, len and find, mid and find. LEN function returns the number of characters in a text string. It needs only one input, that is the string whose length is to be calculated. Find function returns the starting position of a string within another string. Find takes minimum 2 inputs. First input is the text string to be found. Second is the text string within which the first input is to be found. Third is an optional parameter which defines the starting point of search within the second input parameter. Let us see the practical demonstration of the two functions and use cases. Here we have a data table with ID, name, and email. Let us first use LEN function to calculate the length of name and email. To calculate the length of name, we need to provide the input of name within the LEN function. Similarly, to calculate the length of email, we need to provide the input of email within the LEN function. Next, let us calculate the position of space within name and position of @ within email. As per syntax of find function, first input is the text string to be found, that is space within quotes. Second is the text string within which the first input is to be found. Similarly, first input is @ within quotes. Second is the text string within which the first input is to be found, that is the email address. Let's use this information to calculate the length of first name from name column, that is length of Paul. Since we have the position of space within the name, if we reduce the position value by 1, we will arrive at the length of first name. To calculate the length of the last name, we can make use of the length of the name calculated earlier using LEN function and subtract position of space calculated earlier using find function. In this section we saw how to calculate the length of a string using LEN function, how to find position of substring within a string. Also we saw how we can use these functions jointly. In the next module we will see usage of these concepts along with left, right, and mid functions.